Another beautiful day here in sunny Naples, Florida. And you guys, do I have a home to show you? A 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath pool home in the sought after Glen Eagle community. You guys, this home is rare. So rare that you're probably more likely to see a T-Rex doing gardening than a deal like this. Welcome to the private sitting room, a perfect place to get away and watch a little TV in peace and quiet. A large eat-in kitchen with beautiful quartz countertops, brand new stainless steel appliances, breakfast bar that looks into your living room. Hey, take a look at this master bedroom with your own private entry to the lanai. Huge windows that let in a ton of natural light. And not to mention the master bathroom with a separate tub, shower, and a walk-in closet. Do you hear that? The birds. Nature at its finest. Ah, your own private oasis, giving you enough room to roam free like a wild animal. Does it get any better than this lanai? I mean, the hot tub, the heated pool, outdoor shower, under truss lanai. Oh yeah, the automatic shutters too. In addition to the beautiful screened-in pool area, there's also 2 private screened courtyards for year-round outdoor enjoyment. It also has a brand new tile roof. They're not cheap. Some would say it's probably even cheaper to feed a dinosaur. Full golf membership also included and a par 70 golf course. You won't find any T-Rexes playing out here because, well, frankly, their arms are way too short to play golf. A deal this good, it's bound to go extinct.